About to get a big warning, guys. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh boy.
For Warren County, Mercer County, Morris County, Somerset County, Sussex County, Middlesex County until 10:45 p.m. At 8:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms in eastern Pennsylvania just west of the Delaware River moving east at around 40 miles per hour. This line of thunderstorms has a history of producing wind gusts between 55 and 65 miles per hour, resulting in downed trees and power outages. This line will be moving through western and central New Jersey during the late evening hours. These are dangerous storms. If you are in their path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until midnight if you are in this morning for northeast New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren.
It's a big one.
Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m.
Alright, let's see if it's still going on here.
And issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. A severe thunderstorm.
That is huge. Huge. Nice. Alright.